Hey guys, I'm Tom. We're at the
Vickie.
Carolina Travel Channel. We are in Liberty, North Carolina today, and we're walking down this street, middle of downtown, and we're looking for a restaurant called, I think I forgot again.
Y'all
Come back restaurant. Anywho, so let's go get this restaurant, and find us some vittles.
Let's
Ready?
go.
All right, let's go. So it looks like it's like a little country diner. They sell like the regular everyday stuff, like except chicken salad because they're out today. They didn't run out, but they just like hot dogs, hamburgers, some country fried steak stuff for lunch. Like today they have baked ham, what else? Chuck wagon and gravy, barbecue sandwich. But I'm going with the hot dogs. We both decided just to go with the hot dogs today because I don't know. I want a hot dog. You?
Oh, no, hot dog, yeah.
So when we decide we want a hot dog, we just get one. Let's try the onion ring. With a mixture of ketchup and hot sauce. Nice and crunchy. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not. Oh wow. That's pretty good for a hot dog. Gotta wait.
Come down.
Tried it out and it was pretty doggone tasty. This is like a normal, good, like family restaurant. Come down, hot dogs, hamburgers. They got their daily specials like hamburger steaks and ham and just different things. But it was really good what we got. The two hot dogs, good hot dogs, and onion rings, good and crunchy and you got the same thing. You got French fries.
Yeah, French fries, yeah.
And super nice people in there. A bunch of them that was in there. We met that followed the channel. That's awesome. I love to go around and meet people. And but we appreciate y'all watching. Yes. And if you're in the area of Liberty, stop in and check them out. Yeah. Because tell them Tom and Vickie sent you from Carolina Travel Channel. Let's roll.